I love you too. Hey, how's it going? How's it going? Hey, big boy. Hey, get your little ass. This is how my day's going right now. What are you doing? Get your little butt over here. What the heck is wrong with you? Huh? Crazy ass. Here. No. Back inside. Go. Get. Yeah, I know. What the hell's wrong with that dog? Had this whole cinematic montage to leave the house planned. Nice, smooth intro to the video, and that happens. But anyway, today's a very sad day on the channel, and I'll explain why. Anyway, today's a very sad day on the channel, and let me explain why. But first, Christina wants me to get her some Starbucks, so I'm gonna go get her some Starbucks. Hold on just a second. Starbucks. I don't know why she drinks. It's like green something. I don't know what the hell this thing is. Anyway, I was just told by a guy in Starbucks that I need to get a mask before we all die. So apparently we're all gonna die. And if we're all gonna die, I'd rather enjoy my time mask fucking free. Thank you very much. I swear my mood can go from like here to here as soon as I get something to eat. I swear. I'm like a white girl. Wow. Anyway, back to the sad part about this video. I gotta drop my truck. Well, I'm not dropping my truck off today. I'm parking my truck. Today's Saturday. For the next 1, 2, 3 days, I'm parking my truck because I'm going out of town. I might be leaving tomorrow or Monday, I'm not sure, but we're gonna have some really good content coming in the next couple of days. So make sure you guys smash the fuck out of that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it if you did that, even though I was very... I'm going down to Tallahassee for a day to take care of some business. I have mixed emotions about going, but today is a very sad day because today's the last day I get to drive my truck for 2 or 3 days, and I'm picking up my rental today. So I really hope you guys enjoy. The rental's gonna be such a fucking fishbowl. I'm not gonna have any tent on this damn thing. It's gonna be pretty interesting, but enough talk. I'm gonna go park the truck, and hope you guys enjoy the new whip. I had this whole elaborate cinematic plan for the rental car today, and
oh my god.
Oh yeah, that's hot. That's sexy right there.
No.
I had this whole plan for the rental car today. I get there, and long story short, I didn't get the rental car today, and I'm not very happy about it. So I'm taking my truck out of town, so no fun this weekend with the rental car, which I'm kind of upset about. I had a couple videos planned for the rental car. That's how things go on this channel. Things can never go the way that I planned. And we were gonna go to the truck meet tonight that we normally go to on Saturday nights, but it's pouring rain, and I don't feel like going to sit in a parking lot.
Like we're doing right now?
Like we're doing right now. In the rain. I mean, that's kind of stupid to me. So we went to the store and got some new shoes today. We got some new Converse.
Shoes.
They're back there. We got some new Converse today.
Red, white, and blue.
I got a pair of red ones, a pair of white ones, and a pair of navy blue ones. I'm pretty excited about it. You guys will see some of those tomorrow. I'll put them on. I'll do a little modeling for you guys tomorrow. Not really, but I'll let you guys at least see them tomorrow. You can go like all the way down the line. Jacob needs to open his window. Tell Jacob to open his window. Jacob! Oh look, there's a truck beyond Jacob.
Who is that?
I don't know. Cody! We weren't gonna go to the meet, now we are. I think this happens every day. We aren't gonna go to the meet, and then we go to the meet. So this happens like all the freaking time with our channel. But we're gonna go and stop raining and kind of see how it goes. A Jeep, truck, and a Mustang. Ooh. And my favorite 4Runner of all time. Excuse me, sir. You been drinking tonight?
No, officer.
No.
You got hair on your hair.
Hair on my.
Here, I got you. I'll give it a little. Is this recording right now? What's up, guys?
I'm investing, bro. Hey! Hell yeah. Best cameo I've ever had. Whoa, you gonna hit me now? Please hit me. Hit me next time, please.
Yeah.
They don't think I'm doing anything, but. Oh, his center caps don't move. You see that?
Yeah.
Center cap stayed still.
Yeah.
Roast them.
I fuck with that Yukon.
I like that.
Oh, TIS is.
The Bubba truck coming in.
Those are some fucking big ass tires. Hell yeah, they are, dude. Shit. Those are 24x16s. Looks like it.
Bubba truck rolling in.
Yes, sir. Little paint chip on the front bumper. Thought, yeah, I fuck with that. Oh no. Oh no.
Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Breathe it in. Soak it in. Soak it in. Fuck. I think that's, what do you think?
Flat.
Sit go. Chevron.
No, sit
pump
go.
12.
Sit go.
Sit go. Pump.
293 a gallon, I know that.
My dad works on my truck company, so.
At least.
Definitely got that gas up northern Georgia.
Yeah,
definitely.
northern.
What the fuck's going on over there? There's a fire going on over there. Looks like it. Y'all see that? What are you doing? Do it again. Oh, wow. Wow. I remember my first time. Yeah, there you go. Bring it back. Bring it. Yeah. Yeah. Hit his car. Yeah. Oh, let it eat. Let it eat. Uh-oh.
No, you're good. We're telling you do it.
Hell yeah. Nobody warns me before they fucking do anything anymore.
I'll give you a warning.
Like, come on.
Connor will.
Was this a gender reveal?
I'll announce it.
What a god! Dude, big dick energy. Let's go. Look at the video. I'm gonna be like, you've been on fire.
All right. Oh, so we do burnouts and don't tell anybody now. That's what we do? We do burnouts and we don't tell anybody? We do burnouts and we don't tell people now?
Here we go. Watch out. What's up, brother?
Just don't hit my truck. Yeah, cops are coming real quick tonight.
Oh yeah.
Cops are coming really quick.
It's okay. I got an expired tag. I don't
A
mind.
lot of great burnouts
It's not
tonight.
a big deal that they're here.
Hell yeah. Ooh, okay. All right.
Dude, we
We got a whole bunch of rock lights and shit rolling up. Maybe they'll do some burnouts on the way in. Matt's gonna do it. Come on. All right, Matt, just it's okay. It's okay, Matt. Well, tonight's been interesting. The cops are gonna be here, I'm sure, pretty soon. So a bunch of people are gonna go ahead and head out just because I know the cops are on the way. And there's only one exit out of this place, and I don't want to get caught in here when they start giving out tickets. But I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Day 93 in the books. We are on the way to Tallahassee, Florida today. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Hit that subscribe button, join the bread gang as my camera is still fogging up. Oh, I love it so much. I will see you guys next time. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.